to show to Scotland 33. The 31, sorry, and it's, okay, doesn't make a difference, but the side address is Kruununhaka, Kruununhaka, Scotland 3, 63. Siinä Kruununhaken, Helsinki has uusimman ja Finland. The invested 3 persons to the local observation and connection. Built in 1957, added later, amazing. And 65 is always here, 2000, and I'm not sure if I filmed it before. It'll be inspected in 2024 and December is 6891. Of course. It says 3 nights.
Yeah.
Beautiful pictures in staircase. But I wonder if it's the only elevator in this such a building.
Yeah.
You can check it soon. It's back to 1921, but the elevator was added in 1957. And they could do it towards the garden.
Yeah.
But it could have the windows to the garden.
Mm.
And yes, it could be 1921.
Yeah.
You got the doors here.
Yeah. Niissä pitää paljon liftin stått men det är inte bara småhis.
Yeah. That's white call buttons.
Yeah.
In the 1950s it was really advertised.
Yeah.
Especially in 1957.
Yeah.
Yes, beautiful it is too. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
I love the smell in here too.
Same here.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see if it is the only elevator in there.
Yeah.
Sorry, I haven't found the other staircase.
Yeah.
They're hidden.
That's